Are you trying to install tzdata on your system, but getting stuck with the time zone selection prompt? You're not alone. Today, we're going to solve this issue together and make your script run smoothly without any interruptions. I totally get how frustrating it can be when you're trying to automate a setup and a simple command turns into a roadblock. Many users face this issue when they want to install tzdata non-interactively. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, how can I run the apt-get install command for tzdata without any user input? They want to automate their setup script, but are stuck at the time zone selection. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. So what's happening here? When you run the apt-get install command for tzdata, it prompts you to select a time zone. This is a common behavior, but it can be a hassle when you're trying to automate the process. Let's break down how to bypass this prompt. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will help you streamline your script even further. To install the tzdata package without user input, the user can set the time zone environment variable before running the installation command. Next, the user should run the apt-get install command with the non-interactive option. This will allow the installation to proceed without prompting for user input. After the installation, the user can reconfigure the time zone if needed. This can be done using the dpkg reconfigure command. Finally, the user should verify that the time zone has been set correctly. This can be done by checking the contents of the time zone file. Fun fact, the tzdata package is crucial for keeping your system's time accurate, especially if you're working with servers across different time zones. It's like having a personal timekeeper. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user shared an alternative method for installing tzdata non-interactively. They created a text file with selection numbers for the geographic area and city menus. This file is then used as input for the apt-get install command, allowing the installation to proceed without user prompts. This approach installs tzdata as if the user selected the first options, defaulting to Africa Abidjan. The user can then change the time zone to their preference with additional commands. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user involves setting the environment variable Debian frontend to non-interactive. They suggest using a Docker file format, starting with the Ubuntu Bionic image. First, update the package list and install tzdata without user interaction. Then, unlink the existing local time and create a symbolic link to the desired time zone. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check your time zone settings after installation. It can save you from unexpected surprises later on. And there you have it. You can now install tzdata non-interactively and keep your scripts running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. And remember to check out our other videos for more automation hacks.